Hello everybody, welcome to Andy's Beer Reviews. Thanks for joining me. We are in Harrogate today for this from Rooster Brewing Company. It's their 1,000-yard stare. It's a hazy pale ale, got at 5.4% ABV. Without further ado, let's get it in a glass. Let's see what it's like, shall we? I think this is their first hazy pale ale they've done. Oh, it's a couple of years old now. I think this was the first one they did. Obviously, you may know them more from Babyface Assassin, the IPA, which award-winning, a really nice IPA actually. So this has got the Equinox hop in it. So the Equinox hop, it's good for this sort of beer. You've got, depends when you put it in, but you've got lots of potential aromas, lots of flavours, and you get a mixture stuff. You get some tropical stuff with that hop, you get some citrus stuff with that hop. But it tends to be quite zesty. So if it's citrusy, it'll come out quite zesty. Beer in a glass. It's a hazy golden colour with a bubbly white head. Let's get the aroma, shall we? Smells quite juicy. Yeah, getting some mango in there. A little bit of citrus, a little bit on the back end, just a little bit sharp. Like orange or lemon. But mango mainly on the aroma. Smells nice, that's what it tastes like. Cheers everybody. It's nice. It's a nice beer, some nice flavours. Like the aroma, it's quite a juicy beer. I've been getting a bit fed up with these sorts of hazy pale ales, hazy IPAs, because they're all coming out a little bit samey. This seems to have something a little bit different to it, to be fair. But like the aroma, it's got plenty of mango in there. A little bit of passion fruit. Then you got the citrus coming through. It's nice, but I've not known these guys to a bad beer yet. But I think I've reviewed 3 or 4 of theirs now. I've many more that I've not reviewed. And they all seem quite decent. Like I say, cross fingers, never had a bad beer from them. Always been quite nice. Yes, we've got that tropical. Like I say, a bit of mango, a bit of passion fruit. Then the citrus side, because it's got that 2 sides to it. You have got that orange, lemon. A little bit of pineapple in there, I think, coming through. But there's a nice gentle pininess, which is giving it that nice piney bitterness. Really smooth, as you would expect. It's tasty. It is really tasty. Go back, there's a slight difference between a pale ale and an IPA. IPAs tend to be hoppier, but this is a pale ale. Is kind of as hoppy as a lot of IPAs out there, which makes it really nice to drink. A nice beer, that. I like that. So you've got that hoppiness, and then there's a layer of sweet biscuity malt coming through as well, which is really nice. I like that. I like that. To score that 8.5 out of 10. 8.5 out of 10 from Hazy Beavers. Thanks for joining me. Really appreciate it. Comment, like, subscribe, all the usual stuff. Whatever you're drinking, please enjoy it. Until next review, cheers everybody.